Yes, hello children. Now we started the triangle and its properties, and continuation to that, today we will be doing exterior angle property. Now see what is exterior angle property. If we draw a triangle, first of all we should know what is an exterior angle. We extend any one of its line. The angle formed outside is known as the exterior angle. And what does the exterior angle says? Exterior angle property says that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. The exterior angle, this exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles, that is x is equal to 1 plus 2. X is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, right? Now I will tell you how do we, there are several methods we can prove with. One is using the concept of parallel lines, one is using the concept of angle sum property. Here also we will be using the concept of linear pair. Okay, now see the concept of linear pair and the concept of angle sum property. So we can take here, suppose this is 3, by angle sum property, or by, you all know that the sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Now here this 3 and x plus angle 3 forms a linear pair. This is by angle sum and this is by linear pair. Okay, x plus 3 is equal to 180. This is by linear pair. So x is equal to 180 minus 3. Can we write this? X is equal to 180 minus 3. Now x is equal to 180 minus what? X is equal to 180 minus, now 3 is what? From this equation 3 is 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2, is it? From this equation, if you take 1 and 2 that side, it will be 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. So x is equal to 180 minus 180 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Now this will cancel. So x will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is how we prove that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Now we will be doing 1 or 2 examples based on the concept. The first example now. An exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree. So we need to draw the figures in this question. The exterior angle of a triangle is 70 degree and one of its interior opposite angles is 25 degree. One of these is 25 degree. Find the measure of the other. So this is the other one. Let this be x. So solution. Let the other angle be x. Now we know that x plus 25 degree is equal to 70 degree. By which property? Just now we have studied exterior angle property, right? So x is equal to, this is plus 25, on that side it will become minus 25. So x is equal to 70 degree minus 25 degree. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 45 degree. You can check. 5 and 5, 10. Carry 1. 4 and 3, 7. So the other exterior angle, the other interior angle is, the other interior angle is 45 degree. This is how we do the sums. writing this is very important, that why you are writing this statement, writing the reason is very important in geometry. Please remember, it carries marks. Okay children. The next question now. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 and 80. Find the measure of the exterior angle. Again I told you need to draw the figure first. They are saying that the two interior opposite angle of an exterior angle are 60 and 80. 60 and 80 of an exterior angle. You have to find the measure of the exterior angle. You have to find the measure of this exterior angle. So let us assume, let the exterior angle be x. So 60 plus 80 is equal to x by exterior angle property. This is very important. I told you in the previous question also. Now x is equal to, add these 0, 0, 8 and 6 is 14. So it is 140 degree. Now there can be an attachment to such questions also. If they ask you find the measure of the third angle also. Find the measure of the third angle. Okay. So what you will do, you all know that x plus the third angle is equal to 180 by linear pair, is it? So this third angle will be equal to 180, and what is x? Minus 140. So the measure of the third angle will be 40 degree. So there can be such attachments also, that you have to find this also and you may have to find this also. So this is how you will do. Okay. Thank you children.